Gas Monitor Training, GMT. This comprehensive training equips personnel with critical knowledge and skills for effective gas detection and safety in industrial and confined space environments. It covers atmospheric monitoring, hazard identification, equipment operation, emergency response, and regulatory compliance. Course Overview. Comprehensive Program. Trains participants in gas detection, equipment use, calibration, and emergency response for industrial safety and compliance. Target Audience. For safety professionals and workers in industries with gas hazards, focusing on gas monitoring and workplace safety. Accreditations. Conducted as per publicly available OSHA and Offshore Industry guidelines. Critical Responsibilities. Gas Monitor Role. Continuous atmospheric monitoring. Early hazard detection and warning. Personnel safety assurance. Compliance verification. Consequences of failure. Injury, fatalities, regulatory violations, legal liability, operational shutdowns. Understanding gas dangers. Toxic gas effects. Respiratory damage, organ failure, unconsciousness, death, H2S and CO pose immediate threats. Flammable atmospheres. LEL to UEL explosive envelope, proper fuel-air mixture creates ignition risk. Confined space risks. Limited entry/exit, oxygen deficiency, toxic accumulation, enhanced monitoring required. Monitor deployment protocol. Pre-use checks. Bump test calibration. Verify sensor response to known gas concentrations. Battery and alarm verification. Confirm full charge and audible/visual alerts functional. Sensor inspection. Check for damage, expiration dates, proper installation. Fire triangle. Oxygen plus fuel plus ignition equals fire. Remove any element to prevent combustion. Gas density matters. Heavier than air, H2S, CO2, test low. Lighter than air, CH4, H2, test high. Hot work and fire watch. Position upwind of work area. Monitor for spark migration and wind shifts. Immediate evacuation on alarm activation. Sentinel monitors, fixed position, continuous surveillance. Course Curriculum. Identify the role of the gas monitor. Identify the consequences of not carrying out the role correctly. Describe the organizational and statutory requirements in relation to gas testing and the requirements for safe systems of work. Define what is meant by a confined space. Discuss the use of PPE and RPE during the risk assessment. Define the relative densities of each gas and where the gas monitor would normally expect to locate them. Describe the effects of toxic gases on the human body. Describe how flammable atmospheres can be created. Define LEL, the explosive envelope, and UEL. Illustrate the formation of gas plumes and the effects of turbulence. Explain the fire triangle. Identify the need to remove fuel sources to prevent fire and explosions. Illustrate the effects of explosions and overpressure. Describe the effects of pool fires and jet fires. Describe and explain the general operation of a generic 4-channel gas monitor. Describe the standard checks to be carried out prior to use of the gas monitor. Describe the use of the gas detector during hot work operations and the role of the fire watcher. Explain the location of the fire watcher, the portable gas monitor, and the actions to take if the alarm is sounded. Describe the Sentinel-type gas monitor, its required location during hot work, and the alarm response actions. Describe how consideration should be given to the wind direction and the effect of hot metal and sparks on adjacent areas.
Contact us for more information. You can call us, email us, or go through our website and visit us at this address.